So I know he laughing. What's up, y'all? About to get on the flight. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. And y'all, I got my lashes done. But we'll talk more about that later. Okay. But alright, we're about to get on this plane and head out. Okay. Bye, Houston. What's up, you guys? We are in New York, okay? We are in Brooklyn. So welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Taylor, known on here as Taylor Love. And if you are a returning love, thank you as always, y'all. I don't know why I'm like, I need to do my hair. What's up, y'all? We in Brooklyn. We in New York. My accent about to come back. No, but we got in last night. We got in super late. We got in at like 11:30. So oh, this is my uncle. I'll call her back. Yeah, we got in. Y'all, we got in at like 11:30. So we were really tired and we were hungry. We got Checkers. I got like a chicken sandwich, but it was okay. And I had a milkshake, so my stomach was so messed up last night. And I was up this morning editing that Shein haul because I gotta get this content out, okay? And y'all be ready for this New York content because y'all gonna get it, honey, okay? So yeah, y'all, right now we're getting ready. My dad is about to take us to go eat. I don't know where we're gonna go eat yet. It's 3:26, so it's still a little early. After we eat, I really want to go to the Book of Hove. So hopefully we'll go today. If not, we'll go tomorrow. We'll get an earlier start tomorrow. Because I was tired. I got up really early. Somebody woke me up early. And then I was like, I'm up. So I might as well just get this Shein haul out. So I just posted that. So... oh, excuse me, that's what's going on right now. Hopefully your girl packed her comb because I don't see it. I don't see my comb. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see my comb. I don't see my regular comb. I only have this comb and this comb, but I'm gonna make it work. But yeah, y'all, I don't think I'm gonna put on any makeup. Only because like these lashes do it all, baby. That's why I love lashes. So I don't know if I need to train my eyes or what, because I don't know. The only thing is I hate taking medicine and I don't want to be taking Claritin every day, all day, you know? So, so yeah, we're gonna see how this set lasts. Oh my god, y'all, that's another story for another time. My lash lady almost got into it with the, and I know her, but the Karen, we just gonna call her Karen. Y'all know Karens. She was trying to record her. Like, come on. Yeah, it was too much. When I say my life's a movie, my life's a movie. That's why I started the vlog. So anyway, if you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? Okay? Okay. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put on makeup or not. And I mean, really, that's why I got these lashes. You'll feel me? But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put makeup on or not. I really don't feel like it because I'm really hungry. But yeah, y'all, we're in New York right now. We're at my dad's house, but we're about to go eat. And of course, I'm taking you guys along with me. I said I was gonna get all the content, honey, okay? Because I always come here and I visit family, but I never, like, well, last year when I started my YouTube channel and I came up here, I didn't vlog at all. But I said this year, we're not doing that, okay? So yeah, y'all, I'm about to comb my hair, and then y'all are about to see us at whatever spot we're going to. I don't know yet, but yeah. All right, y'all, bye. Pasta.
Of course, you always want pasta. To eat some of this cornbread.
I know, me too. What's up, y'all? We're at Lindenwood Diner in Brooklyn. I got some, y'all know what I always get. I get a drink and then I get some pasta because I'm really craving pasta. So, and I got me a drink because it's after 5. Okay. But yeah, I'll show y'all my food when it comes out.
Yeah, they got comedy shows over here sometimes too.
Over here?
Got a stage in the back.
So we're trying to get paid.
Okay.
Rich off of YouTube.
So I can be a stay-at-home dad.
That's all you want to do.
Oh, wow.
Onions and peppers.
Dang.
Wow. I'm just gonna eat the hamburger. Maybe a couple french fries. Oil and fry it.
Yeah.
They say a teaspoon of ketchup is a lot of sugar.
I know that. I think that's why I like ketchup so much.
Well, it tells you on there 4 grams of sugar per serving.
You gotta cut down on that sugar and salt.
Yeah. It's on McDonough. That's why you wanted the big umbrella.
No, it's not. It's because of my hair.
Yeah, like this ain't gonna cover your head.
It's not.
This is a stroll through Brooklyn. It's gonna be your title.
That's all right, because I ain't going to edit it out. Stop. Go. Go. What you want me to do? Cut you in the face? Stop. Y'all. What? Yeah, shut up. Y'all, it's been raining in Brooklyn, so somebody don't really want to do nothing. But we outside. We about to go to the bodega to go get the smoothies that we really like and the paninis that we really like. Yeah, y'all. That's all that's happening now. I'm trying not to get my hair wet, but I don't know at this point. Because it's going to be raining tomorrow too, which kind of sucks. We were supposed to go see the Book of Hope today. And I don't know if we're going to, I don't know if we're still going to go, so yeah. But, alright y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get up in the store. When we get to the bodega. Alright y'all, we're in line. About to order these paninis. Hey, I like this. That's super good. Y'all, it is raining. It's been raining so hard. It's been flooding in Brooklyn. It's crazy. So we just went to the bodega that we like and picked up some turkey paninis, and then we picked up these smoothies that they make. They're so good, y'all. And then I love this tea tonic. And this one is for your adrenals, so it's good for stress. It says goodbye stress, hello happiness. I need that when I go back to work. But yeah, so I'm gonna drink that later. But right now I'm drinking my smoothie. We still need to get our tickets. We're going to the Jets versus Chiefs game Sunday, so we still haven't gotten our tickets. He likes to wait the last minute. I'm like, get these tickets, boy. But yeah, we need to get the tickets. So yeah, y'all, we're going to a comedy show later on today with my dad, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. My dad, well, my uncle got us tickets, and so yeah, and he gave them to my dad, and so my dad was like, all right, let's go to this comedy show. So that's what we're gonna do, but it's really quiet. We're about to chill for a little bit, and then in the morning we're supposed to be going to Atlantic City, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, because it's supposed to be raining tomorrow too. Like, I don't know if it's ever gonna stop. But I was watching some vlogs this morning while I was getting dressed. But yeah, and honestly, y'all, I do need to edit so I can stay on track and so I can upload my vlog for Saturday. So maybe I'll start doing that. I think I'm about to do that. But alright, y'all, glad that I walked in the rain and my hair still looks decent. I haven't put it down yet, but I mean, we'll see how it look. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm about to edit. I'm about to take these pants off though and put on something else. I gotta relax. But oh yeah, y'all, these earrings from Target is turning my ears green. I never really wore earrings from the like stores. Maybe I have. Let me stop lying. I have, but not in a long time. Okay. See, I've been here for like a day and a half. I already got my accent coming back, but I haven't for a long time, and now like my ears is turning green. So as soon as I get back to Houston, I'm gonna take my earrings to go get serviced, to go get repaired. But yeah. Alrighty, y'all. clipping my teeth.
You want to be in the club?
Yeah. Did you go see Geek? No. Or Game Time?
What is that? You don't even know what that is.
Yes, I do. I was on it for Drake.
You ain't go. I want to be in the Super Book Lounge.
Alright, y'all, we made it to Gabby's in Queens. I thought it was gonna say it on here, but it don't. Super hungry. Been craving. If y'all remember, I've been craving pizza, so.
That thing that I can look hard for, but I can't call it. What is it? I'm telling you, babe, keep at it. You turn me to an addict, but it's definitely not a love thing.
What's up, you guys? It's super early for me. It's like 8:30, and we're going to go meet my uncle. So we're taking the train, and then he's gonna pick us up, and we're driving to Atlantic City. So of course I'm taking you guys along. It's been raining here, so like flooding, so we haven't been able to really do much. So we're gonna try to do some things that we wanted to do today and see how that works out. We might go out tonight because I'm pretty sure the whole city want to be outside, okay? But yeah, yesterday we went to a comedy show and it was pretty funny. I didn't really record. I didn't record because yeah, they was just telling jokes. And then too, y'all know I don't like what's it called, like too much cursing. I mean, we curse here and there, but not really. I normally bleep it out or, you know, in it out. And they were like cursing. They were like, oh my God, it's vulgar. Yeah, and it was a lot. So it's for Brooklyn, Bronx people, you know. So yeah. So now I'm about to comb my hair. We're actually running a little late, but I'm about to comb my hair. I'm about to be ready. I think he's about to get out the shower. So yeah, y'all. I'm drinking this, what I got yesterday. And it's just cinnamon, ginger, and clove. So it's not to my liking, but and it doesn't have no sugar in it. Oh, it doesn't say, but yeah, I don't taste no sugar, y'all, but it's 0 all down the board. So it's literally just cinnamon, clove, and whatever else they say. But yeah, y'all, I went over to get my comic book guy. Hold on. And your girl put on a little bit of makeup today. Put some eyeshadow on. I haven't been putting on makeup because it's just been raining. We haven't been doing nothing. So And that too, I'm really glad I got my lashes. But y'all, they are killing me. Like, I'm about to take a Claritin. Well, I'm about to pack it just in case, because last night they were so bad. I didn't know what to do. And I was like, I don't have my lash remover with me. So I was like, I'm just gonna thug it out. But I love them so much. It's hard. I don't know, maybe this is what I'm thinking, y'all. I'm thinking maybe if I like just thug it out for like a week and a half, maybe like the glue will, like, you know, the fumes will wear off and then I'll be good. So I'm gonna try to see that. I'm gonna try to see if that works. But that's what we're doing today. I've been watching the girls' vlogs. Yeah. And then too, everybody was, let's say everyone. Like 3-4 people checked on me, y'all. But yeah, y'all, people was checking on me. Courtney checked on me. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She was like, I thought about you. I was like, oh, my heart. Y'all go subscribe to her channel too. She has great content, y'all, like for real. Love her. Actually, I was about to put her vlog on to watch right now, but I don't have no time while I was getting ready, because I was like, I need to focus, because I would just be like this watching and not be getting dressed. But yeah, you guys, that's what we're doing today. Y'all, I plan to have so much footage, but it's not working out that way. I was planning to have like a vlog for each day, and it's definitely not working out that way. I had it all planned, mapped out. But you ready?
Sure.
Huh? He gonna bust in here talking about who you talking to, looking around. I'm talking to my people. Anyway, y'all, but what they say, you want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. I have my whole plans mapped out. So I know he laughing. But alright, y'all, I'm about to well, we're about to get dressed and get ready. Okay. Oh, my braids are starting to come back. Alright. It's not raining right now, but it's still kind of cool, which is good, so my hair can last. But yeah. But alright, y'all, we're about to go. I will take y'all along for the ride. Alright.
I'll take you down, oh babe. I'm not around, I know, babe. Sip some liquor and forget about me. You're a long time, is you're a long time. I know what you do when I'm not there. Finger in your hair and places I wanted to say. Privacy. Can't you see? Whatever you say, you got me, you got me. Yeah. Whatever you say, you got me. whatever you say. 'Cause you got me thinking you're the only one out there for me. You got me thinking you're the only one out there for me. Charge it to the game I play. Hurry up, 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 don't do it. When you turn up, yes, you go crazy. Tonight, yeah. Daddy's coming home tonight, yeah. Say you coming home tonight, yeah. Oh, whatever you say, you got me, you got me.
What's up, you guys? Excuse me. Y'all, this is like really our first day out, so I know I haven't picked up the camera too much, but we're just so excited to like be outside because we've been here. It's Saturday. We've been here since Wednesday, y'all. And Brooklyn has been flooding, and that's where we've been staying. So I'm from Brooklyn. We've been staying with my we've been staying with my dad, and y'all, like, it wasn't like a little rain, it's been flooding. We took the subway, which y'all saw. We went to Manhattan, and then we drove with my uncle to Atlantic City. And we just been hanging with my uncle this whole time. But y'all, we're just so happy and grateful that we're outside and that it's not raining, you know. So yeah. But after this, I really want something sweet. We had that lobster fried rice. Oh my god, y'all, it was so freaking good. But y'all, I really want something sweet. We were gonna try to make the perfume today, but we're gonna just wait for Monday. So on Monday, we plan to get up early, go to the Book of Hope, and then go to look, somebody come in here. Hold on. Do you want to be on camera?
Yeah. No. What's that? That's your life. Right, that's your life. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's your thing. You can't roll a blunt to this one. You gotta light a J. You gotta puff a J on this one. You can't even drink Cristal on this one. You gotta drink Cristal. Try some red wine, little guys, you're 9-7. This is for the grown and sexy. Can I get my grown man on for 1 second?
Alright, y'all, really quick. I'm wearing the same shirt as one of these days, but we're about to go to the game. Sorry I haven't really been on here. It's just when I come to Brooklyn, it's a lot of family, you know, a lot of spending time, and yeah. So anyway, let's go downstairs. My godfather's here, and we're gonna go to the game. Bring you guys, but on my phone, so I'll be back.
Some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can you come hang with me? Possibly. That's right. Can I take you out tonight? You already know what it's hitting for. I got whatever outside, and you know what I'm sitting on. 50-50 venture with the S-dots kicking off. Armadale popping now, only bring a nigga more. Only thing missing is a missus. You ain't even gotta do the dishes. Got 2 dishwashers, got 1 chef, 1 maid. All I need is a partner to play spades with the cards up. All trust. Who else you gonna run with? The truth is us. Only dudes moving units, M Pimp Juice and us. It's the rockin' hair, Maybach outside.
What's up, you guys? So today is our last day in New York, here in Brooklyn. And yeah, it's bittersweet because I feel like we lost 2 days with the rain. So but yeah, y'all, last night we went to the Chiefs game. It was so freaking fun. Somebody was so happy that we went. And I saw Taylor Swift, and we had really good seats, and it was just really good. The only thing, y'all, is that it took us forever to get there, and no, it took us like a decent time to get there, I guess because we was like excited, so we didn't care. But on the way back home, y'all, I was like, what the we ain't never getting home, okay? Shoot, we didn't get home until like 2 o'clock in the morning because so to get there, to get there, we had to take the J train to the A train, and then we took the A train to Penn Station. And then from Penn Station, we had to get on New Jersey Transit. That was 2 trains. And so then it dropped us off right in front of the stadium. And so then think about that, y'all. When the game's over, you have a sea of people, because they didn't drive, getting back on the 2 trains to New Jersey Transit, then getting back to New York Transit, you know, then switching trains. It was a lot, y'all, but it was worth it. It was fun. It was a great experience. I would definitely go again. I don't mind. But yeah, we had a lot of fun, y'all. It was really fun. I'm really glad we went. Because he was going back and forth. He was like, I don't know if we should go, da da da. And I was like, let's just go. I was like, you know, you're gonna be mad if we don't go. I don't want no grumpy grouch, so let's go. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway. But yeah, y'all, so today we're gonna go make perfume at the what's it called? Olfactory. So I can't wait to do that because y'all know your girl loves perfume. So yeah, y'all, we need to hurry up because I got like 20 minutes. I had to move our appointment because I be running behind, y'all. I be thinking to have all this time, and I ain't got all this time, okay? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So, all right, let's go.
Rocks in air, PJs on the runway, young got air. I don't land at an airport, I call it the clearport. Therefore, I don't wanna hear more back and forth about who's hottest. Young holla. I got my Gotcha 9-7 on right now. You gotta put the J to this one. Can't roll the blunt up to this one. Chasing. What's your name? Cause I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with chasing. Everybody's like, he's no item, please don't like him. He don't wife him, he one nights him. Now she don't like him, she never met him. He try to take advantage of him, he won't let him, he don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me, she don't agree with him. She's mad at that, he's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. But f*** it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your fine linens for this one. You might gotta go get you some Scooby-Doos. Gotta throw in your Scooby-Doos. Those are shoes, by the way. Gotta throw in your Scooby-Doos.
What's your name?
For the grown and sexy. Only for the grown and sexy.
What's your name? So hot to try.
Love, let's go half on the sun. I know my past ain't one you can easily get past, but that chapter is done.
And I'm gonna save it.
My name is Alex. What's your name?
Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you. Awesome. So, Taylor, what do you typically like to wear in your fragrances? Are there any notes that you tend to go towards?
I don't know about the notes.
Okay. Do you have like vibes? Or are there any fragrances?
What we're gonna do is whenever I hand the waters to you,
Okay.
I'll explain all the different notes that we're gonna be smelling.
Okay.
We want to focus on the yeses and the maybes.
Okay.
Any no's, feel free to throw into here. This is your own personal trash can. If you hate it, get rid of it. Because it never exists in the first place.
Okay.
The reason why is because we want to narrow it down to your top 4 that will try on the skin. Say
Okay.
you feel, because it will change from giver to skin.
Okay.
Okay.
Trash.
It's fair, you know. I just work here, so it's not gonna hurt my
No, I know. It's this one.
Comes to muscle. Yeah. It's like, yeah, I love it.
I think I should smell this one first. I'm smelling good though. Okay. Okay, let me smell this one. I smell it. I don't like that one. Ooh, I like this one. Look at the different label colors, 2 different cap colors, and then I will make a custom scent for you.
But I'm done reading for now. Remember space, face up, you could believe it for now. But mine, you got it for real, for serious, bro. I'm about to give you all the keys and security codes. About to show you where the cheese, let you know I ain't playing. But before I jump out the window, what's your name?
But yeah, we had so much fun. So I made a perfume and I made a lotion. And y'all, I'm so happy because y'all know like I really love perfumes and I love lotions. But yeah, and they gave me it in this cute little bag. It's so cute. So just excited. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to wear I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I can't wait to wear this and I'm be like, they're gonna be like, ooh, what's that? I'm be like, ooh, this is a custom scent. But But yeah, y'all, Olfactory NYC 10/10 recommend. My girl Alex that helped us. Hey girl, she subscribed to my, it's loud. My girl Alex who helped us, thank you so much, girl. She's subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hey girl. But yeah, I'm so happy. I had such a great experience. They definitely, we were talking, they definitely need to bring this to Houston because, you know, Houston is a vibe. But yeah, y'all, so we'll hit y'all back. We're about to go eat sushi now. Another one of my faves, perfume and sushi. Alright, y'all, we are at dinner. This is our last night. So we're just out here eating dinner. We had a bunch of fun earlier, so now we came to get some seafood from Sammy's in the Bronx. So yeah, family din din. Y'all want to say hi? Say hey. Hi. Hey. Daddy, you look cool.
Tell her power.
Right.
Tell her power.
Y'all should have seen my dad. You need to take another bite, Daddy, for them.
Thank you. two.
Dang. That's yours.
Oh my God.
Slide this up again.
I told you. Where's the pasta?
At the bottom.
Yeah, see,
see it?
it's garlic sauce.
Is that wonderful or is that wonderful? Is that beautiful?
That's crazy. Wait, I gotta take a picture too.
You better hurry up, cause we home.
Yeah, it's gonna be gone in a minute.
I'm so glad we went back to the city because when he said, I want him to take y'all to Vinny's the first night. Then you went to the diner. My son doing what he do, what she does. That's exciting. And when I was doing my internship, I had a lot of young people that